Hello everyone, I hope you are fine and I'm also fine. And now we are going to give us some question which I have faced in the interview. Today we will discuss interview as a QA profile and which I have attended in the BLU Smart organization for experience between 1 to 3 year of experience. In this interview faced by myself, and I want to share these all questions with you that will be help you lot and you will aware with what kind of question organization frequently asking or expecting to candidate. So I'm sharing all the question with you uh, because might be the same question will ask, interviewer will ask to you, so you will able to answer at that time without any delay or without any just like hesitate or any thinky at the time you feel like, oh, I don't know that thing. So I'm just, you go through that video, you watch complete this video, and definitely you learn something new. Okay, to come to the organization, a Blue Smart organization, I attended that interview. And first of all, interviewed was a lead, and they ask simple question like introduce yourself. So simply I introduce myself, what experience, what the key and responsibilities I'm holding right now, and apart from that, what the tool and technology I'm using currently in my organization, what the awards and achievements I have uh, uh, done till now in previous organization and before, like education time. You can add all those things if you want, otherwise it is not required or mandatory things you have need to add all those things. Most of the things you have need to just create a simple scenario, just like scratch to create a mind to interview. They can think, yeah, you are the you are the candidate, you have this kind of knowledge. Okay, so right, come to the questions. So first of all, that organization is the product based organization. They was looking for QA profile candidate. See, or he have a knowledge whole QA process manually, as well as functional knowledge, as well as performance knowledge. Functional knowledge, they should aware with the ADO board, they can track the items, work items, all those things. And performance testing, they can test with the API testing, postman tool. So they ask question from there. So first question was the functionality and non-functionality. What do you understand by the functionality and non-functionality? So this question statement is very candidate to candidate. Might be you understand like functionality is the we test the functionality of the application according to customer requirement or customer requirement. Like as a customer want to main banking functionality in application, like gateway, whatever the application is working on, like loan process is happening in your in that application. So the core functionality is the loan, or any all those things. Core functionality, like we are functional is the according to customer requirement. Okay, so non functionality is the Yes, second question was API testing, API application programming interface, and what and how we can perform API testing. And before this, they ask question, API testing. You can explain the why and how we use the API testing, what the tool we use API testing. So simply you can explain. Second question was the which methodology or which process you are following in your organization. So simply we was using agile methodology, so I explained the whole agile process to how and what we are doing in the whole sprint and what way we are following, like number of calls is there and when we connecting with the client, and how we are getting the items, and all those things I explain in the SDLC process or the whole QA process. And they ask third question is the what is bug and how you will raise bug in your with the tool management. So simply bug is any defect, any unexpected issue happen in a QA side or QA environment, and doesn't QA environment in Q environment. While the testing, we got something unexpected, that is called bug, and we can raise that bug in a tool. So all organization using different tool, so we can prefer you can give your just previous example. We are using Jira, ADO board and other tool for the bug process. So simply that time I was using ADO board, so I explain simply. I create a bug and assign to the developer team and wait some time, then ask when they will complete it. Once that come in the QA environment, verify if come that is the fix, so it will close at that time, otherwise it will reassign the developers. That is a simple QA process, bug process. Then they come to, again they ask a question from API. They ask question to API, simply question they ask, not too hard. Next question was which methods you use in API. So simply frequently we word use get, post, put, patch methods in API. So next question was the what the exactly meaning of all methods. So get methods we use for the extract data, patch method we use to update, and post method we use to add something on server side. And get, put for update. Put and patch have a difference between put and patch. Both are working similar, but minor difference is there. You can go search in Google. Okay. uh, I thought patch can with the help of put we can update the update more, but in a patch we can update in the less amount of data. So I thought it is a minor difference. And second question was the what is authorized and authentication from that question from API. So authentication and authorized is the simple questions. Simply as you have seen in a API, sorry, Postman tool, authentication is the option is there. You can see auth code you can generate by the application. So there, authentication authorization is the authentication once application ensure you are the user of this application, that is called the authentication. Authorization application or software ensure what kind of service you can take, that is called the authentication. Like I will give you an example. Let's suppose you are using Netflix application. So if as a I'm user, I did not using any subscription kind of thing, but I have a user, I am user of that application, so definitely I can log in, enter in that application. But if I am not subscription or premium customer, so I will not able to watch the live videos or live anything, because I'm not a subscription. So that case is the authentication or authorization is the first we can enter in the software or application. Okay, next question was the next question was the how you rate yourself in the database testing. So I rate myself at the time 4 out of 5. So they ask question, insert values in a table. So simply everyone know how can insert values in table. Let's suppose employee table, insert a values into table, columns like name, and next question was the what is proxy, and what do you have idea about proxy. So simply if you aware about the proxy is the gateway between user to internet. Proxy is the gateway between user and internet. They secure the internet, like some type of authentication or security perspective. It is the intermediate between the user or internet. Simply they ask proxy. And last question, write the test cases for the Uber application, how we can log in, and how as a user I want to log in that application and schedule a I want to log in that application and schedule a car. So simply we have need to write 10 to 15 test cases for that. And simply 1 hour interview time. And I hope that all the interview questions will help you a lot. If you have any questions, you have any questions regarding that interview or you are going to attend, so you can ping me in comment section. If you want to attend mock interview with me, so you can comment in comment box. We will think and response back to you. Okay, and if you want to more videos like that, so please subscribe and like, comment this channel. I will create a lot of videos regarding the interviews which I have attended till now in my journey, in my career. So thank you watching my video. Might be it will help you a lot, and we are planning lot things regarding the QA profile, SDET profile, and all those things we will moving forward. And thank you so much.